Good morning, dear children. Welcome once again to the SRBPS online classes. Today we are going to discuss about exterior angle property of a triangle. So before we start, we have to be clear in what is exterior part of a triangle and what is interior part of a triangle. So as you can see, we have one triangle on the board, the triangle ABC, and you can see the side BC is extended outside the triangle, right? So when we are talking about exterior part, so exterior means bahar, which is not in the region of a given figure. So here you can see that the region which is inside the boundary is known as interior region, and the region which is outside the boundary is known as exterior region. So this all region is known as exterior region. Now the next thing comes up. So what is exterior angle? How we will figure out ki what and which angle will be known as exterior angle? So what we will see when we are talking about exterior angle of a triangle, so that means that angle has to be the part of a triangle, right? So angle, as you can see here, this is an interior angle, this is an interior angle, and this is an interior angle. But there is one more angle which is at the one of the vertex of a triangle. Here you can see that there is one angle which is forming here as well, right? But this angle is not in the interior region of a triangle, right? But it is using one side of a triangle as its arm, right? So we can say that this triangle ACD, this triangle is an exterior angle of a given triangle ABC, right? So one doubt has been cleared in this way. So first thing that we have to figure out ki what is and which is the exterior angle of a triangle. Now let's come to the property. Now as per the property, exterior angle is always equal to the sum of interior opposite angle of a triangle. A really big word, right? So interior opposite angle of a triangle. So first of all, let's see which angle is the interior, then which is opposite, and it has to belong to a triangle. So if I see angle ACD, so that angles has to be interior angle. So there are three interior angles, right? Which three? This one, and this one, right? So we have reached to the interior portion. Now the next step is to find out the opposite, the angles which is opposite to the exterior angle. So here we can see that if I am talking about this angle, so this angle is adjacent to exterior angle, right? Here you can see that this angle C is adjacent to this angle. So definitely it will not be an opposite angle. So the rest angle will be acting as an opposite to angle ACD, right? So angle A and angle B are the opposite angle to the exterior angle. So as per the property, we conclude that angle ACD will be equal to angle ABC, which is this angle, plus angle BAC, which is this angle. So property says that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle, right? So this is according to the property. Now how we can prove it? So as we have proved the angle sum property of a triangle through activity, children, we are going to prove this as well within activity. So let's start. So now children, you can see that I have placed one triangle onto the board in which there are four angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4, right? Same as the previous figure which I have discussed. Now here you can see that angle 1, 2, 3 are in the interior region and angle 4 is at the exterior region. So now I have to prove ki whether the sum of these two angles is equal to angle 4 or not. For this, again I am going to use my scissor to cut these angles, right, angle 1 and angle 2. So let my first angle, which is angle number 2. Now I am going to cut my angle, which is angle number 1, right. The two angles I require, right, I am going to place it here only. Let me clear it little more. The extra portion I am going to remove it, right. So here are both the angles, as you can see, which I have cut, and both are the interior angles of a triangle. Now the same way as we have done in ASP, the angle sum property, I am going to place these two angles on an exterior angle, because we have to figure out whether the sum of these two angles is equal to the exterior angle or not, right. So I am going to place it in the same way. This is the edge of a angle, so I am going to place it. So you can see it has covered the region, and now I am going to place this. Wonderfully done. Wow. So here you can see that these two angles has appropriately covered the whole angle 4, right. So it shows that the sum of interior angle is always equal to the exterior angle of a triangle, right. So this is the way, children, it has been proved that the exterior angle is always equal to the interior opposite angle of a triangle. You can try this activity at another side exterior angle, like if I have taken the exterior angle here, you can take it here, you can take it here, and you can enjoy this activity with the learning, right. So I hope you understood this. Thank you so much. Stay happy. Bye-bye.